Solid timber vanities in a bathroom, or especially a solid timber top in a bathroom, are becoming more and more popular. I've done a whole number of them. They look great, and if treated with the right finish, they can be really durable. Now, I remember having one of these in my house as a kid, and it always looked a bit crummy. I think Dad had used some sort of polyurethane on it, which had tended to lift. I've had really good luck with hard waxes on bathroom vanities and have gone back to clients years later and they've still looked great. I've got a product here which is designed explicitly to be used in a bathroom furniture situation, and it's made by Livos, which is a company that you might know is really well known for making eco-friendly and very safe products to use. They don't use any solvents in there. The bathroom furniture oil, when compared to some of their other products like the countertop oil or the natural oil sealer, this is a higher gloss finish and a slightly higher build too. So it doesn't have to just be used in a bathroom. You could use it on a dining table if you want that slightly higher gloss. Then you can even top coat this over the natural oil sealer, which allows you to use the pigments that are available in the natural oil sealer range and then get this glossy, hard-wearing surface on top. Now, the reason that this is more durable, or the reason it is designed for bathrooms, it's been designed in a way to withstand higher levels of certain chemicals, acids and alkaline, and other things that might eat through a finish, chemicals that are present in toothpaste and soap and the stuff that's commonly used in the bathroom. So you got high durability, high gloss. It still allows the wood to breathe, which means you don't have that thing where the surface layer separates from the timber over time. It's easy to reapply. It goes on really easily, but it is a really natural finish. It doesn't have a very high film build, so you've got a very natural feeling piece of wood, except for the gloss. I'll just throw some on the timber now. The application process is the same as most hard waxes. You don't want to sand it so fine that you've blocked the pores. So 180, they say you can go up to 240, but it depends on the hardness of the timber. So I'd stick around the 150 to 180 range, get all the dust off, apply this finish to the surface, let it soak in, then after 10 minutes or so, you want to basically even that surface out. Again, this is a little different from their natural oil sealer. The natural oil sealer, you want to wipe all the excess off, whereas this finish, you just want to even out that finish, which means you're leaving a bit more on the timber. Alright, so I've let it sit for about 10 minutes, gone and had some lunch, and now I want to make sure that I've wiped off all that excess. Basically, the pores of the wood absorb some of it at a faster rate than other portions of the timber, and you want to make sure it's just smoothed right off. That's going to let it dry evenly, which means you can then apply coats on top of that and get a really nice even finish. So I'm just using a clean, lint-free cloth, wiping with the grain. Basically, you're going to leave it greasy, but not oily. It's still got a shine, it's still got a reasonable level of finish on there, but there aren't any bits that are wetter than others. That needs to sit now for, I think 24 hours is what they recommend, and then you can apply subsequent coats. Actual total hardness is achieved after 4 weeks. So if you're giving this piece to a client or you're making it for yourself, before you start throwing toothpaste on it, just really let it totally harden out. That basically applies to most hard wax finishes, but it is worth mentioning. So if you're making a solid timber vanity or a piece of timber that's going to go into a bathroom or an area where it might be exposed to detergents and toothpaste, it's a great finish to try. It'll have a high gloss, but a really natural thin surface, and it's exactly what it's designed for. Really natural, safe for kids and everything else that you might have in your bathroom. So there's a link below where you can check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got a bunch of other videos on Livos and a number of other woodworking techniques and finishing techniques, so there's all kinds of things for you to find on there.